Hey, what's up, guys? It's day 19. Well, technically, it's day 20. Technically, it's day 20 because I did not post yesterday, but and that was my fault. But yeah, I'm not gonna skip days. Since I didn't post yesterday, I'm just gonna continue from that, and I won't skip days anymore, guys. So yeah, that was my bad. Anyways, today we're gonna be using the find method. So let's see. Oh wait, I gotta open my VS Code. Okay, guys, so I opened up my VS Code, and now let's do this. What it is find in JavaScript? The find method is used on arrays. It helps find the first element in an array that matches a condition. If it finds a match, it returns that element. If it doesn't find anything, it returns undefined. Basic idea in plain English. Imagine you have a list and you say, give me the first item that satisfies this rule. That's exactly what find does. So it finds them if it finds the first element that matches a condition. So if it finds it returns, otherwise it returns undefined. So let's see. Find num greater than 8, so it will return 10. JavaScript checks numbers one by one. 3 not greater than 8, 7 not greater than 8, 10 greater than 8, stop and return 10. Okay, so 10, don't worry, don't worry, syntax, don't worry. It's simpler than it looks. Array find function element return condition. Or using arrow functions common in modern JS. Array.find element condition. Example with object very common. U.age greater than 24, so to return this one. This one. It stops because at Bob because he's the first user with age greater than 24. What if nothing is found? And greater than 10, so undefined, right? Yeah, undefined. Find versus filter, important difference. Method, find one element, first match. Filter, an array, all matches. Okay. Uh, Numbers, dot find, and numbers filter. Okay. Why should you use find? Use find when you only need one result. You want the first match, you don't care about the rest after it. Always remember, find returns the element itself, not its index, not an array. Okay, so find returns the element itself. You can also now give me a few exercises to practice using find in JS. Uh, give each exercise first, then wait for my answer and grade it until giving no before giving the next. Easy. Use find to get the first number that is greater than 10. Okay, so we're gonna new folder find JS. So let's see, greater than 10 numbers dot find num 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 greater than 10. So this should give me 12. So greater than 10. Node finds. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's try to. I'm gonna try to speed run this as much as possible. Okay, find use find to get the first name that has more than 3 letters than 4 letters. Constant long names dot find name um n and the length greater than 4. Say long name that's clearer than Michael. Ooh, Michael Scott. Michael Scott, who likes. Hey, if you like The Office, type in the comments. If you like The Office, type in the comments. I like The Office. Michael Scott, Prison Mike, Michael Clump. Which one is your favorite Michael Scott? Michael Scott, Prison Mike, or Michael Clump? Type in the comments. I think mine is Michael Clump. You have this array of objects. Okay. Okay, so use find to get the product whose ID is 2. Okay, because product products dot find product product dot ID equals 2. We're gonna get mouse, right? Mouse, yeah. Okay, 7 minutes. Let's see if we can do this let's see if we can do this in less than 10 minutes. Medium, slightly tricky. Find to get the first user who is active. Okay. Users dot oops const const act oops const active users dot find user. Okay, I can see user dot active. I think this is enough, right? Because it's gonna return true. Or no? Mm, okay. Active user. Okay. Let's see, Mike. Yeah. Oops. Mikey. Perfect. Nailed it. Your solution. Real world style. Find to get the first order that is not paid. That is not paid. That is not paid and has a total greater than 50. Paid false. Okay. Const word just go to forget. Orders dot find order just or words dot not order dot paid and or dot price greater than 50. Greater than 50. Actually, we don't need these. We don't need these curly braces. That was it, right? That is not paid here and has a total greater than 50 here. So let's see. Undefined. Not order dot paid. Is it? Oh, it's order total, not price. Okay. Okay, maybe we won't do it sub 10 minutes, but still. Okay, let's see sub 15. Harder. Find the first student whose average grade is 6. 6 is it? Huh. Whose average grade is 6. Average grade is 6. Star student or something. Student dot find. Okay, I don't know. Okay, this one I don't know. Student um um let grade average equal equals 0 for let 0 as then student the grades the length I plus plus average plus equal student dot grades of I and then return average divided by student dot grades the length. What was it? Average grade is 6. Whose average grade is 6 equals 6. I think that's it. Return. Okay, yeah, this is wrong. Or it's not. Okay, it's not wrong, I guess. It's not wrong, okay. It's an excellent solution. Okay, more JavaScripty. Okay, whatever. Should pass the beginner stage. Okay, guys, so I guess that's it. I hope you guys, um, yeah, make sure that you guys, uh, make sure that you guys, make sure that you guys, uh, make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, follow me. All my links in the description. Follow me on GitHub. Follow me on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. All links in the description. And see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a good one.